Today I'm going to be hopefully building my ZMR250 quad up. The parts came a lot faster than I thought they were going to from Banggood.com. It took 7 days for the bits to get here, so that's pretty good. I'll put a link in the description to all the bits just in case anybody's interested. I got some Gemfan 5x30 blades. I've got 5 of these 10 amp ESCs, and I also got 5 of these DYS 2300 kV motors, 18 by 1806 2300 kVs. Also got some of these Diatone or Diatone, whatever they are, 5x3 blades. Plenty of heat shrink. And I got a KK2 board as well, which is around here somewhere. Yeah, here it is. KK2 board. I got the bit large one rather than the small one, but it will just about fit in there anyway. So hopefully I'm going to be building this up. Right, so for my power distribution board, I'm a bit of a cheap arse, so I thought I'd save a few £, and there you go, I've made that. Piece of circuit board, and I'll just cut a square of it out, and then I'll just float some solder over it. Probably not the best idea, but what I'm going to do is, once all the wires are soldered on, all the ESCs, and I've got the power cable on the back, I'm going to cover it in hot glue, and then that will do. And then I have to put some standoffs on here, and then the flight control board will sit just above. So I've got one ESC mounted and one motor. At the moment I've left the wires quite long because I'm going to solder them together afterwards. I've just put a piece of heat shrink on there temporarily. Yeah, and I've soldered the 2 wires from this to the distribution board that I made, and I'm just going to quickly test this motor in ESC before I go any further. Right, so I've got all the motors and the ESCs hooked up. I don't know whether the wires are around the right way at the moment. I need to test them. The way I'm testing them is I'm going to plug battery in. There we go. And I've got this servo tester connected up to the lead from the ESC, so I can test it. And I can find out which direction they're turning, and I'll just test each one, and then change the soldering as needed. Alright, so this is how far I've got. I've got all the ESCs hooked up, the motors are turning in the right direction. Hooked them up to the KK2 board, and I've also got the receiver here, which is a FlySky 6-channel, and I've got all the wires around the correct way, and I've set the throttle calibration so they all start up at the same time, but I'm having a bit of trouble setting the settings up on the transmitter, so I'll have to look into that a bit, and I'll make a video when I've got it working fully. I have had a quick fly with this, hovers well, but it's really twitchy, so obviously I'm going to have to change some of the settings, because I crashed it, but I didn't do any damage because I was only about 1.5 feet off the ground. So yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.